Zydus Life Sciences launches India's first affordable drug-free OPEP device at ₹990. Zydus Life Sciences has taken a strategic step in respiratory healthcare by launching PEPAIR, an affordable, drug-free OPEP device aimed at improving breathing in patients with chronic respiratory disorders. Priced at ₹990 per unit, the device aims to bridge the affordability gap that has historically limited access to airway clearance therapy in India. PEPAIR is a handheld oscillating positive expiratory pressure device that generates vibrations during exhalation. These vibrations help loosen mucus from airway walls, enabling easier clearance and improving airflow. Chronic mucus hypersecretion is a major challenge for patients with COPD, asthma and bronchiectasis, often requiring daily airway clearance support in addition to medication. Respiratory diseases are rising in India due to pollution, urbanization, climate-linked allergen changes and delayed diagnosis. With a large patient base, affordable and accessible non-drug therapy options can play a significant role in long-term disease management. The launch has been executed in agreement with Aerodel Technology Innovations Pvt. Limited, an Indian medical device company focused on inhalation and pulmonary rehabilitation solutions. This collaboration allows Zydus to leverage its established distribution network while adding a differentiated product to its respiratory portfolio. Zydus already has a strong presence in respiratory therapeutics. It leads the oral bronchodilator segment with Derafilin Panjikrit Vyaparchinha, one of the widely prescribed methylxanthines in India. Its inhalation portfolio includes ICS Jod LABA combinations, LABA Jod LAMA therapies and single inhaler triple therapy options such as Foglan Panjikrit Vyaparchinha and Foglan Panjikrit Vyaparchinha Plus. More recently, it has introduced once-daily triple therapies including Odiale Panjikrit Vyaparchinha G and Umiflo Panjikrit Vyaparchinha Plus. By introducing PEPAIR, Zydus strengthens its positioning as a comprehensive respiratory care provider rather than only a pharmaceutical manufacturer. The move expands its portfolio into drug-free therapeutic support, improving patient engagement and potentially increasing cross-selling opportunities across its respiratory range. From a business perspective, entry into the medical device segment opens a new adjacent growth avenue. While immediate financial contribution may be moderate, long-term potential lies in scale, repeat usage and brand loyalty within chronic care management. Overall, the launch of PEPAIR reflects Zydus Life Sciences' strategy of patient-centric innovation, expanding beyond medicines to deliver accessible respiratory solutions. Adoption levels, doctor recommendation patterns and distribution reach will determine the commercial impact of this launch in the coming quarters. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.